In the series of the lecture, we started on the Constitution. Now, once again, we at that time started with what is the Constitution, why do we need the Constitution, what are the structures which have been established by the Constitution, and being the federal, understanding and federal character of our Constitution, everything has been demarcated in the Constitution itself. That what is the power and function and structure which is going to be earmarked for the union government, state government, and local government, which function, which structure is going to perform which function, what are the subject which has been assigned to them, everything we discuss. We also discuss what is the difference between the constitution and constitutional law, what is the difference between constitutional law and constitutionalism. Then we went on to understand what are the qualifications and disqualifications of the members of the parliament and state legislative assemblies and legislatures. Then we also discussed about disaffection, anti-defection law. And today in that series, we are going to start the officers of the parliament. Who are the officers? Only the speaker and deputy speaker. The speaker is going to be appointed by the members themselves of that house, and deputy speaker is also going to be appointed by that. Now the speaker is the chief officer of the parliament. He maintains the decorum there, and it is incumbent on him to not only maintain the decorum but also to handle several other activities related with the members. He ensured that the privileges are maintained, and apart from that, the speaker also decides whether the bill introduced in the parliament is a money bill or not under article 110(3). And then how he is elected by those people, and then suppose that the speaker is not available, and then deputy speaker will preside the sittings of the parliament. In case even the speaker and the deputy speaker both are not present, then in that case the president will appoint someone from the house. And how they are going to be removed from there, they can be removed by a special resolution passed by the house with the majority of the members present and voting. And during that period they have the right to sit and participate in the proceedings, but they will not preside over the sittings of the house. And the same rule applies with the speaker as well as the deputy speaker. But they must be given 14 days notice that of the intention of the parliamentarians that they are going to introduce a bill on that effect. So this is how they are going to be removed. And apart from that, if they are willing to resign from their post, they can resign by writing to the in case of the deputy speaker, he can write to the speaker, and speaker can write to the deputy speaker. So these are the main officers of the parliament, Lok Sabha. And Rajya Sabha is where the chairman and the deputy chairman, and they are also going to be elected from the and they are also going to be elected from the house itself, Rajya Sabha. And apart from that, the vice president is the ex officio chairman of the house. And similarly, suppose that the chairman and deputy chairman both are absent to preside the meeting of the house, then the president is going to appoint somebody from the house itself who is going to preside over the meetings and sittings of that house. Now, these are the two very important, officers. Now, see, the parliament has three integral parts: the Lok Sabha, that is called House of the Commons, then the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, and third is called the President. Why is it so? These three are the integral part, because the bill passed by the both houses cannot become a law unless it is assented by the President. Therefore, these three are the integral part. Now, come back to the difference of the Speaker role in British Parliament and our case in Indian Parliament. What happens there? The speaker, after being elected, resigned from the membership of the political party which has elected him. But here in our case, in Indian case, that's why sometimes it has been blamed that the speaker has taken a very parochial approach for deciding the disqualifications and other activities of the different opposite parties. Whereas, in order to maintain the impartiality and honesty in the Britain, Speaker, after being elected, resigned from the post and membership of the political party by which he was elected. So this is the major difference. But we have not followed that. And similarly, the deputy chairman and the chairman, they can also be removed by the resolution passed on that effect by the members of the house. But at the same time, they must be given 14 days notice. So this is the main thing. Let us discuss the same thing in the Hindi as well, so that those students who are preparing for the competitive examination, especially for the UPSC, they could also understand these are the main officers of the parliament and how they are functioning, what is the तो हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए दैट पार्लियामेंट में हमारे तीन जो है महत्वपूर्ण भाग हैं, राज्यसभा, लोकसभा और प्रेसिडेंट। इसलिए कि लोकसभा और राज्यसभा द्वारा पारित बिल तब तक वो लॉ नहीं, कानून बन सकता है, जब तक कि प्रेसिडेंट की स्वीकृति उस पर ना लग जाए। इसलिए ये तीनों जो है महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट है। ना लोकसभा में स्पीकर का चुनाव जो है लोकसभा के सदस्यों द्वारा किया जाता है। डेप्यूटी स्पीकर का भी चुनाव, स्पीकर जो है लोकसभा की जो डेकोरम है उसको मेंटेन रखने के लिए सारे काम करता है, प्रिविलेजेस को मेंटेन करता है, एटसेट्रा। एंड उसके बाद से जो है स्पीकर रिजाइन दे सकता है डेप्यूटी स्पीकर को, और डेप्यूटी स्पीकर रिजाइन दे सकता है जो है स्पीकर को, और वो जा सकते हैं। और बिल्कुल सिमिलर केस राज्यसभा में जो है उपराष्ट्रपति का होता है, जो एक्स ऑफिशियो पदेन सभापति होता है जो है राज्यसभा का, और वहाँ पर डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन भी होता है। इन दोनों ही केसेस में इनका रेजिग्नेशन एक दूसरे को दिया जा सकता है, 14 डेज नोटिस दे करके इनके प्रति इनके अगेंस्ट में जो है प्रस्ताव लाया जा सकता है इनको हटाने का। ये रिजाइन दे के भी हट सकते हैं। और ब्रिटेन और हमारे यहाँ के दोनों के स्पीकर में ये अंतर है कि ब्रिटेन में एक बार जब स्पीकर के पद पे चुनाव हो जाता है उस व्यक्ति का, तो वह अपने पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के सदस्यता से इस्तीफा दे देता है, ताकि जो है इम्पार्शियलिटी को वो मेंटेन कर सके। And there was a case, for example, in Somnath Chatterjee in 2008, when what happened that the left supported government was there in the power, and the left withdrew the support, but Somnath Chatterjee did not resign even when they were requested to do so, and therefore he was expelled from the party by the CPM in that case. तो मेन हमारे जो स्पीकर है और डेप्यूटी स्पीकर यही दोनों लोकसभा में है, और जो है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन एंड डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन, दीज आर द टू ऑफिसर्स हु आर ऑथराइज्ड एंड एम्पावर्ड टू मेंटेन द डेकोरम and take care of the proceedings of the both houses, respective houses. So that's it for today in that respect. And once again, I assure you that we'll come with different topic. Till then, goodbye and take